Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use a very cool chatbot called the Humbot AI. Okay, this chatbot can help you to humanize AI content, okay, so that it cannot be detected by other chatbots that are designed purposely for AI content generation scanning. Okay, so they can scan and tell you whether this content is an AI content or not. But with the help of Humbot, it can help you to humanize the content, and you will not be able to detect it in any way. And we're going to try 5 very free to use AI tools that we can use to check and scan content from any AI platform that we have, and then we can confirm whether this very AI Humbot can be able to humanize the content and it will not be detected by all of these platforms or not. Okay, so to start with, let's start by learning how to access the AI Humbot. Okay, all you need is to go to your Google and just search for Humbot AI over here, and you will be able to see it down here. We can see it under this humbots.ai, and this is it. Humanize AI, AI Humanizer, okay, AI Detector bypass. So you can click on it, and of course you're going to sign in with your email and password, and you'll be brought in over here. So this is Humanize AI Texts bypass AI detection however you want it. Now to create a content, AI generated content, I would like to choose ChatGPT for this. So you can go to your ChatGPT, you can try to generate any content, and then we can copy the content from here and then try to detect it with some of those platforms to confirm that this content is fully generated by an AI. And then we're going to use the Humbot to humanize it so we can recheck again and see whether it is going to detect. So let's say I have this chatbot, this text that I've just generated from ChatGPT that I asked that I make a video about a content. I wanted it to generate the description, the detail of the video over here, and some hashtags, and then at the end it give me some SEO optimized keywords. So you can see this is very good content that I've just generated with an AI. So what I need to do is let me copy everything, or let me just copy the description and then use this to check on the AI detectors. Now, the first AI detector that we're going to use is called the Winston AI. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. You can try it on your own. And once you click on that first link, to be brought, you have to sign up with your email and password as well, and then it will be brought you over here. So you can click on start content scan, and it will bring you over here. So you can paste in your text, and then if you like, you can give the document a title if you're interested, and then you can come over here and just click on scan. So this is the first content. You can see scan completed very fast. And let's see the results of what it has given us. Take a look. It has detected almost everything that this is AI generated content. Okay, AI generated 0 to 20. You can see the statistics. Winston has detected text. Human score is 0. This is human score 0. Plagiarism is not recorded. Readability score is 27. This text has a readability score of 27 over 100 and has a US school college graduate level, which means it is very difficult to read and it's best understood by university graduates. Okay, so you can see this quickly shows that this content has been developed by an AI. Section driving AI score, you can see them. Okay, it has identified the exact sections that are driving the AI score. So this is, by this assessment, an AI content. So let's go to the next one, to which is Zero GPT. You can access it also. I'll put the link in the description. So let's come over here and just paste in the text that we have, and then we can say detect text, and let's see the results that it's going to give us. Now this is wonderfully so you can see your text is AI GPT generated. You can see 74.18% AI GPT. It has been able to directly pinpoint exactly the AI content, which is very correct. So you can see how it has quickly detected. Now let's go to the next one, which is the copy links also. I'll put the link in the description. So once you're here, you sign up with your email and password. You just come over here. Let me press the same content that we copied from the chat GPT, and then let's say scan this. And then in a matter of seconds, you can see the accuracy at which it quickly detects that this content is an AI content. Okay, 100%. It is even able to detect that this is 100% an AI content. You can see the resources. Okay, you can see where it has directly been able to detect who generated the content even and how is it generated. You can see this is 100% AI content found, 100%. So that is wonderful. Now let's go to the next one, which is the fourth one. In this case, it's called GPT-0. I'll put this link also in the description. So once you're here, you can paste in the same content and then let's say scan. And you can see this one also, it has given us 100% AI probability AI generated. So this is telling you that these detectors are really, really powerful and they're able to detect exactly the source of the content and they can tell you exactly whether it is AI generated or not. So this is the fourth one. Let's go to the fifth one, which is originality.ai. Once you're here, you can come over. Let's press the same text and let's see what it is going to tell us. All right, so let's go ahead and scan. Now we can see the fastness at which this is also detected. It has detected that this is 100% likely AI, 0% no matches, you can see. So this is fully correct because it is an AI content. We just copy directly and paste in here. So this is wonderful. So we can now say that, to confirm that what we copy is truly an AI generated content. But then let's go back to Hum AI, where our main task is for today. So the content, you can just copy it, paste it here. You can paste it using the other methods that I have shown, and then you can just go ahead and say detect whether this is an AI content. You can do that directly with this particular tool as well. Let's detect whether this is an AI content or not, even by the Humbot. Let's see what it is going to give us. And you can see the result also by Humbot. It just detected that this content is AI generated. You can see it down here. It has quickly detected that this input content seems to be AI generated, and it is confirmed by all of these. Okay, so this is AI generated. You can see we can have human written, this 50% human written, AI generated this, and it has quickly detected that this is an AI generated content. Now let's try the other feature, which is to humanize, which is our main main topic for today. This is our main focus for today, how to humanize the AI content. So let's go ahead and click on Humanize on Humbot and let's see the result. All right, so you can see right now it has generated, it has humanized it, and then you can see the result. It has been able to confirm by all of this platform that this content is truly humanized. It is completely written by a human. Now let's copy this and go back and recheck with some of those platforms and see. Starting from this guy, let's have a new scan. Okay, paste in and then let's scan it. And you can see the wonderful, it said this is a human score, giving a 100% score. This is human, which means Humbot has successfully humanized that content. So let's do that again with this. Let's bet spin and then let's try to detect again. Your text is human written. You see 0% AI content. Let's try this GPT-0. Use scan. All right, let's paste in and just go ahead and say scan. And you can see it quickly says this is human written, and this is something very good. Probability of AI generated is just 45%, and this solemnly says it's human generated, which is something very, very good. So let's try with the last one, which is this one, and let's go on and say new scan. Okay, detect AI content, and let's paste in, and let's go ahead and say scan. And surprisingly, this one also go ahead and told us that this is the result shows that it is completely human, likely original. This is human written. This call is really, really 100% confident that this is human written. So based on these results, what this can tell us is that Humbot is actually a very fantastic AI humanizer, humanizing content AI chatbot. You can try it on your own. I'll put the link also in the description of this video. Please go ahead and try it and see how you can humanize your content AI generated content from any of the platforms. You just pick ChatGPT as just an example, but you can try that with any of the other GPTs. Maybe you can try that with Google Gemini, you can try that with Bing AI or similar AI chatbot. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the testing of Humbot AI with on all the platforms to test its humanizing capability. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.